Let's unbox an early 90s vintage Coach bag. This is the Austin bag, style number 9909. It was made, like I mentioned, in the early 90s in the United States, and I believe it's in the rare color Bordeaux. So it's this beautiful Bordeaux color. And this is a crossbody bag. Here's the strap. And the strap is adjustable, as you can see. And the front comes with one slip pocket. So here's a close-up of the bag. Here's the front. Here's the side view. And here is how the strap is attached to the sides of the bag via these ring hardware pieces. And here's the back of the bag. It looks pretty much identical to the front, just no slip pocket. And it's got a zip top closure with a matching leather zipper pull. And then here's a look at the interior. It does have one slip pocket here along the interior of the bag as well, and the Coach Creed is stamped along that pocket. I'll go ahead and insert a photo so you can see the Creed up close. So that is the beautiful vintage Coach Austin bag, and this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in case you wanted to look into purchasing this bag, as well as all the other information I mentioned about this bag will be below in the description box as well as links to follow us on social media and join our email list if you'd like to stay up to date with new bags as we post them on a regular basis. But otherwise, thanks for watching and see you in our next video.